315 Jamie Court. This is in a neighborhood where we have multiple properties. As you can see, we're on a cul-de-sac and we already have the desert landscaping in the front. A long driveway. Really good situation here. This wood might need to be touched up.
Yeah, but they're gonna take this carpet out. See?
And all the lights are on, so it just happens to be dark in here, but I will say that the flooring and the walls look to be in good condition. We have upgraded a lot of things. These are not the blinds that Jenny recommends. We'll see what she says about these. And we don't have any blinds in those 3 windows over there.
What I'm trying to tell you is, this morning when we came here, our shadow was this way. Now when we came back here, our shadow is this way. What does that mean? The shadow is this way means right here. Sun. See, right here. Shadow.
So we have the stone counters over here.
No, this way, no.
And yet here we have different counters. Looks like laminate.
Reversing this way.
Okay.
And we have the correct 2.5 inch faux wood blinds there. Okay.
It cannot go, it's not going, how can it go down? It's going, see?
Okay.
See, it was right
So
there.
this is west. So this side does get the evening sun, so it's nice to have the patio cover. And then we have pavers on the left, which is nice. And again, an upgraded fixture.
Oh, look, you know what's gonna happen? Yeah.
So we have a change in flooring. It looks well done, professionally done. Paint looks great, even though it's a dark purple color. It looks to be in good condition. Now Jenny is a fan of laundry rooms that, and this is the same flooring that was in the bathroom. A fan of laundry rooms that are their own separate rooms that you don't walk through. So that's nice. Fan works. So we do have multiple color walls. You can see that's red. That's like a darker blue, and I think it's a different color than this blue, which looks lighter. This is a dark, cementy brown sort of color. Okay. I would say we definitely need Jenny's opinion on the carpet. It's a tough call. Some nice picture windows to let in light, upgraded fixtures, of course. This is an older style bathroom where you have this separate area over here, and but it's okay because people like this floor plan. It's been successful, and the schools around here are appealing to a lot of people.
This is the bedroom.
So we're gonna take this.
You need this baseboard needs to be touched up.
Four tables? We're not gonna put this, we're gonna put over here. So our space is from there to there, that's all.
So we have a different tile in here.
And sun.
Okay, so that's the property.